In this video, we're going to be replacing the blower motor on this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It's located up underneath your glove box on the passenger side. All right, with a 10mm, we're going to disconnect our negative terminal. All right, underneath our dashboard, if we follow our glove box in the center straight down and under, we'll come to this round unit here with one electrical connection on it. This is going to be our blower motor. You can see we have 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws holding the blower motor in place. What we're going to do is we're going to start by unplugging our electrical connection on the motor. I'm going to squeeze that tab and remove the plug. We're going to use a pair of panel tool clips here, pliers. See if we can squeeze this clip and pull it out. Okay, can set that aside because it's not attached to the blower motor here. This clip is actually attached to the housing. So as long as that's out of the way, that's as far as we need to take that. Now with our tool and a Phillips bit, we can go ahead and back out our 3 Phillips screws. Now on the third one, try and keep some upward pressure on the screw and the center if you can, because now your blower motor will be free to slide out. Okay, so up underneath your dash, when we go to reinstall our new blower motor, we want to make sure that this area here is free of any debris, as well as this area here. And we're going to use this area to locate for our new blower motor. We have that arm that hangs off the side of our new one. We're going to locate that into place and just push upwards. There will be no clips or anything holding it in place. You're going to have to hold it while you thread in your 3 Phillips screws. And these screws here, you don't want to over tighten them. You'll strip out the plastic on the inside. So just get them as tight as they need to be. And to ensure that they're tight, we'll come back with a small Phillips. Just try and give these an extra turn. Now the last step, is we plug in our electrical connection. We can reconnect our battery, push that all the way down, make sure it's all the way down and seated with a 10mm. We'll go ahead and tighten down our terminal.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.